To use the timeline feature, simply go to the Custody Keep dashboard, navigate to Timeline, and click Now in the Timeline page. This page is specifically designed for curating a timeline of incidents, violations, and events. Each entry includes the date of the incident, title, category, subtitle, a summary of notes, tags for easy searching, and any relevant files or media as supporting evidence. To enter a new incident or event, click the New button, and a template will pop up ready for your entry. For example, your headline might be State Lines Entry, dated yesterday, under the Legal Custody category, with a subtitle Bio, a summary, and tags such as Violation, Bad Behavior, and Declaration. Add late delivery and attach any relevant media. Once done, just close the file. You can switch to List View for a clear overview of your entries and delete anything unnecessary. Go back to Entries, and there you are with your timeline neatly organized.